everyone, welcome to another video. And today we're making some sticky barbecue chicken restaurant style. Yes guys, so as you can see here, I had some complete seasoning, some chicken Maggi already. Now I'm adding some black pepper to it. Then I'm going to add some ketchup mayonnaise to my chicken. Going to grate some fresh ginger to it. We want that flavor to pop, to burst. So the ginger will give it that flavor I'm looking for.
Make it dance in your mouth.
Yeah. I'm going to add some garlic, about a teaspoon of ground garlic to it, and I'm going to marinate everything together.
That ginger and the garlic smells nice.
Yes, the flavors are bursting up inside this house today. I'm going to put this down, cover it with some plastic wrap, and leave it for half an hour for the season to soak inside these chicken. And I'll get back to you just now. So it's like 40 minutes now since my chicken been marinated. So now I'm going to take it and I'm going to place it inside a baking pan, because I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven to bake. Guys, you should smell this flavor coming from this chicken. It's mind blowing. Put all that sauce in it, not leaving out anything. So I'm going to take a foil paper and I'm going to place it on top of the foil pan for the first 20 minutes in the oven. Then I'm going to remove it and I'm going to make a barbecue sauce with honey, a delicious sauce to coat it. Put it in the center up, guys, and leave it there. Okay guys, so now I'm going to make the sauce for my chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put maybe half cup, I'm eyeballing it, of honey in the bowl, the same amount of barbecue sauce, I'm going to add the same amount of tomato ketchup in the bowl. I'm going to add a little bit more garlic, maybe half teaspoon garlic to it, and I'm going to mix it. When I'm ready to put it, to coat the chicken with it, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar to it. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, whichever one you like, because it's sticky barbecue chicken. So you need that brown sugar or that white sugar for the glaze to come out perfectly. Okay guys, so it's already 20 minutes, so let me get my chicken from the oven. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to base it or coat it with the sticky barbecue sauce. You see how much water the chicken spring, guys, and I didn't add no water to it. So here you can see I add a teaspoon of sugar inside the sauce, and I'm just mixing it out. You should smell this. Wow, unbelievable, crazy flavors inside this kitchen today. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my brush. I'm just going to coat each piece of chicken.
I can't wait to eat this. I want the biggest one there.
I choose the chicken thighs because the thigh is a darker meat. So I'm using the dark meat for this recipe today. Okay, so as you can see, I'm finished to coat it. I'm going to place it back in the oven without no covers now for next 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out and coat it another second time. So it's 10 minutes already. So I'm just going to remove it again from the oven. I'm getting so excited. Oh my God. Giving it a next coat. And I'm going to place it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Look at that, guys. Wow. Okay guys, it's finished now. So I'm just going to remove it from the oven. Look at that, guys, that deliciousness. Sticky barbecue chicken. Just going to remove it from the pan like that. Wow.
I'm super hungry.
Remember guys, to like, to share, to tell a friend, to subscribe. I'm just going to add some cilantro. To it for decoration. And remember, God is love.